Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert database, character set and collation into UTF16 in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and then we are in database and then you see collation UTF8 MB4. So we are going to convert into UTF16. On top you see operations, so click on it. Now loading, and then you see multiple options. So scroll down, you see collation. Now enable this option both, and then you see drop down, select UTF16. Now find. Now you see UTF16. So this is our character set, and then you see UTF16 underscore Danish underscore CI. So this is our collation. So you can select according to your requirement. So we select UTF16 underscore Unicode underscore CI. Now select and then click on go. Now changing character set and query executed. Now go to structure again and then you see collation change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.